Yes, hello guys, welcome again. Today I want to show you new stuff. Posted previous videos and we did live testing together on how to build a ussd application, but still I've been getting mails all asking how ussd works. Basically this is the environment of ussd. USSD stands for unstructured supplementary service data, and it is a protocol that was built in the telecom base, if I can say that way. The way it works, you have your user, that's the mobile subscriber, somewhere here. A user gets a code, dials it, and when it is dialed, that code, assuming it's *123#, if it is dialed, it undergoes a lot of processes, and it goes through the BSS, which is the base station, can be the tower, and it undergoes through other telecom MSCs, that is part of another handling where it is handled, which is the mobile service center. After going through the mobile service center, your the app server which is being queried is somewhere here, which is here. The others where you will not get the PCI, this one is interfacing with the PCI. I will not talk of this one here, you cut it off for now. And you have your apps server here, which is being directly queried from this side by the subscriber. So a USSD is more interactive compared to the SMS, which is the short messages. It's more interactive. You can query the information, you get an immediate real-time feedback. So people decided to use the USSD application more, and the industry is growing. You see things like the mobile money, mobile banking, and etc. All those ones are based on this kind of a design. So for you to get started, you get a short code. You also get the APIs that are also provided by the telecom, or you can get it from any other source, the other companies that are providing them online. And some of you have also been asking if there are emulators. Okay, if you are a C plus developer, there is one emulator which is called the lib ICT UDK version 1.2. Correct, it's called the lib. It's called lib ICT UDK. The version is version 1.2. You can try to check it out if you are a C plus developer. That one is there as emulating environment for your USSD application, and we are going to build this project together, and I'll take you through. So let's get started and we see how we get along. So first thing I will need you guys to do is you get that, create your own folder. I will not tell you all that, and where you're going to save your projects, that one is not it's not necessarily save it anyways. You have to select your own folder. So I'll call this one ussd.php, and I'm going to save it on my desktop for this class, and we'll get it started. First thing, we're going to set our time zone up here, and we say date, set time zone, and the time zone we're going to use, is Africa / Nairobi. You can put your own country, since we have different time zone, and we do the normal thing that we always say, don't write comments. We're going to set up our DB connection here, and we'll say include connection.php. That's our DB connection file, and we set up some few variables. So the first one is going to be trans ID. We're going to use the get variable, get, and we'll say the trans ID. Next one would be use the request type. You can name them depending the way you want. I always love to keep them this way, as quite slow. Then use request type. And I always love to try not to repeat myself a lot. I just copy this, then the good thing with Sublime Text helps you do multiple editing at the same time. This one is our MSISDN, which is referred to as the mobile subscriber ISDN number, which is those digits you dial, and we have our shortcode. I'll call this one to become our shortcode. Call this shortcode, and I'm going to call this the app ID. We need our ussd string. Call this one our ussd string, and come here, switch. About case 1. This one is going to message variable that you always see when you dial the code. The message would be welcome. We can call it my telecom. Just call it like that for now, and we'll do a break for that. We need to display more information that will fetch from the database below this. And welcome to my telecom, one for services, 2 for check the airtime, and etc. such thing like that. So we'll need some queries to get for us information. SQL, just select all from outside menu. For now, I have not created this. We'll just go into the creation of the databases. Select from menu where is status equals to 1, meaning if the value, if the service is active, it's going to need to have 1 on it. Yes, simple thing like that. And we'll get our query. Need to do execution. I'll call this one just query.